Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy treat. This quick and easy treat have got your back when your sweet tooth's craving dessert, but time is not on your side. You can have this ready in 10 minutes. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here in the sandwich bag, I have about 10 Oreos. We're gonna use a rolling pin and roughly crush them into smaller pieces. Once crushed, we're gonna add them into a small bowl, then use a spoon to kind of mix everything together. Next, evenly distribute the Oreo crumbs among glasses and firmly press the crust down into each glass. Then set aside. Now let's move on to make the pudding. I'm using instant vanilla pudding, guys. You can use any vanilla pudding of your choice. Now empty pudding mix into a bowl with milk and beat for 2 minutes with whisk or electric mixer. After 2 minutes of beating, this is how your pudding should look. You can fill a large plastic bag or pastry bag with pudding and pipe the pudding into the glasses, but I feel comfortable here using my spoon, so I'm gonna just divide the mixture among the glasses. Once all the glasses are filled, we're gonna place them in the fridge to chill. Now let's move on to work on the whipped cream. To make whipped cream, we're gonna mix together heavy cream, icing sugar, and vanilla. Then we're gonna beat on high speed until stiff peaks form, about 1 minute. Next, divide the whipped cream among the glasses. Now we're gonna place 2 slices of banana. Guys, this pudding is a bomb. Then we're gonna follow with blueberries. Always guys, add fruits to your desserts. You hear me right? Finish it off with a granola. Guys, this dessert takes only 10 minutes from start to finish. Now we're gonna let this chill in the refrigerator for 1 hour, then it's ready to be munched. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that Mama Bui, every time I uploads a video, you get notified. Don't forget to share it with your friends and the family. Leave a comment down below because I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.